What's up, everybody? So today I'm showing y'all how to import your calendar from Moodle to your Google Calendar, and how to set up a meeting using your Google Calendar. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to your kinesiology page, or really any class page, and when you get there, your screen should look like this. You're gonna click January 2021 on the right. That's going to take you here. Then you're going to scroll down to Export Calendar at the bottom of the page. Click that. Click All Events. This month you can do next month, recent, next 60 days, whatever you want. Really whatever you want. Then you're going to click Export. And that's going to come up like this. Then you're going to drag it to your desktop. So it'll be over here on the right. Then next what you're going to want to do, you're going to go to your Google Calendar. And you're going to click the settings up here. Click settings again. And you're going to scroll to import and export. Click that, select file from your computer. Since it's on your desktop, you can search or you can scroll down like I'm doing. That's my documents. There's my desktops. And you're going to click that, and then you can click import here. So 7 events have popped up for myself. Then you're going to go back, and they will all be up there like this. Yeah, and then so for the Google Hangouts, unfortunately you can't share it through Google Hangouts because it's whack right now. So what you're going to do, you're just going to go ahead, add title. I'll do kinesiology assignments, and then you can add a guest, which will prompt you to put someone's email in, and then and then you can just click the add Google Meet link, and then you would send that to them. And that's really all it is. Yeah.